This is our fish all cut off, and this is our spices. We have the normal Maggi, we have the Cameroon pepper, we have the Mr. Chef pepper soup spices, we have La Rousseau fish spices, we have our yam right here, then we have our scent leaves, our leaf for the, and let's not forget we have our salt also right here for this occasion. We're going to pour the hot water right now into the fish, you know, to wash the fish, and also to make it a little bit strong, remove dirt from the fish. Then we're going to start cooking. Stick around and enjoy this video. Watch till the end so that you see how we prepare our pepper soup. As you can see, it's boiling. We're going to take all our spices. And we're going to put them inside all at once. So as you can see, you can see it. We're going to put our salt. We are going to put our scent leaf right now. Our fish pepper soup is ready. Wow, I'm salivating already. It has a very, very, very nice outlook, very nice outcome, and I guess you would want this. Like, tell me what you think in the comment section, and if you're that hungry, you can visit me. There's love in sharing. Thank you guys. If this is the first time coming across our channel, I'd like you to click the subscribe button to subscribe. This is Roving Ideas once again. Your subscription will be much appreciated. You know, encourage us to do more videos. Thank you.